Hello YouTube, how you doing? Bill from Fishing Around Chicago, back out and about today. I'm at the Fox River. First time here in this part of the river. Beckett Park is called. I think Beckett Park is called. Uh, Nice today's nice weather. It's supposed to be up to 80 today, October, early October. So today I got some red worms. Uh, yeah, red worms and some smoky links. I gotta try these smoky links. Oh, I do have Slim Jim too in my bucket, so I hope I catch something. The red worms are for the bass, for the smallies, and for the drum. If I catch anything, so let's see what we can catch. All right, first bite of the day. Hour later. That's a perch. Chicago's perch. Look at that. That's a nice one. Wow. Ow, ow, ow. Look at that, fellas. Nice, beautiful perch. Can you see? I don't know. You can see it now. Beautiful perch on Nightcrawler. Let's throw him back in. Oh, you crap. I didn't throw him far enough. He's stuck. Let me see if I can get him out of there. I use my 8-foot rod to get him out. All right, here's my 1 hour update. After that perch, nothing. It is tough. The Fox River is tough with me this year. I don't know why. I don't know why this river is so tough with me. They usually say after an hour, hour and a half, or hour to move to another location. But the next location is right there, and there might be some by that shelter. But there's a bridge over there. There's a that's the route. I mean, that's State Street. I think it's State Street. This is Geneva, Illinois. So I go there. I don't know where to park. There's no park. There's no public parking there. Actually, I didn't look. I didn't want to. When you get my age, you don't want to move. I'm an old timer, fisherman. So I'll stay here for maybe another hour. I refreshed my bait. The one with the one with the little smoky sausage. They ate the bait. Someone took the bait, unless it fell when I threw it. And on the worms and the red worms, I added some more worms to it to give it more scent. So we'll see what happens. All right. Okay, I know the problem. I know why I'm not catching any fish, man. Because I can't fish with the lick. That's what John Parker would say. I can't fish with the lick. Or, gets his voice. Well, I think the problem is that I throw my line far as I can, and I still hit the shallow part of the lake. Because the current's going that way, and my line's not even moving. I even added more weight to my line, half an ounce. So I got an ounce and a half out there, and I'm still not in the current. So I'm gonna call it a day. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day and head home. Cause it's 3:30, almost 4 o'clock. I gotta stop by Menards, a home improvement company, home improvement store. They're like Home Depot and Lowe's, but Menards is a local here in the Midwest. I think it's Michigan. I think it might be. I think it might be in Michigan, Wisconsin, Illinois, and Indiana. I think. Not too sure. Well, it's, I even brought my lines close and maybe catch some off fish or something. Nothing, bass or anything, but nothing. Well, I'm gonna call it. Go home. Get ready. But tomorrow I got other things to do. So this is Bill from Fresh and Around Chicago saying, if I don't see you